Today we'll use the line test to examine three stones: a real diamond, a moissanite, and a fake diamond. To start, we will use the diamond tester from Precision Instruments to show you guys what each stone is. This device uses heat conductivity to differentiate between stones. When the metal tip of the tester heats up, it measures how quickly the heat travels through the stone. Based on this, the tester will light up to indicate what type of stone you're dealing with. Green light means the stone is the real diamond. Yellow light indicates a moissanite. No light or response at all means it's a fake diamond. Now that we've confirmed which stone is which, let's move on to the line test. The line test is a simple yet interesting way to further explore the differences between these stones. For this, we'll draw a thick black line on a plain white piece of paper and pass each stone over it. Depending on how well we can see the line through the stone, we can make some observations. First up, we have the real diamond. As we move it over the line, you'll notice that the line is difficult to see or might even disappear entirely. This happens because diamonds have high refractive index, bending light so much that you cannot see clearly through them. Next, we have the moissanite. When we pass this stone over the line, you may still see the line. Though it might be a bit distorted, moissanite has a slightly lower refractive index than diamond, which allows more light to pass through, making the line more visible. Finally, we have the fake diamond, the cubic zirconia. When we slide this stone over the line remains clearly visible. This is because fake diamonds don't refract light as effectively as real diamonds or moissanites. A quick note: while this test isn't 100% reliable, since moissanite can pass it too, it can still be useful if you have a diamond tester lying around. Try it yourself and share your results in the comments.